Guys, other jam here, Macomb car auction, and this is not just a Trans Am or not just a Firebird, not just a 10th anniversary, but only had 18 miles in it. 18. Actually, one point shows 17, other shows 18, whatever. So basically, a brand new car. Look at the wheels and the tires. T-top, beautiful brand new silver seats. All the paperwork is there. This thing just unbelievable. Just perfect. Look at how look the brand new one. Oh, it is a little bit of something. Anyway, beautiful silver seats. T-top, factory window sticker, probably never get removed. Looks like never ever get removed from here. Beautiful car. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.